In the middle of filming. Say hi. Hi.
What's she doing?
Filming. Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. 𝐵𝒾𝒻𝑒 is the name. Okay, today this video is going to be a luxury unboxing. Bae got me a little gift, so yeah, that's what it's going to be about. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new here, thank you for returning to check out another video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what do y'all feel about this hair though? This is like my natural hair, right? Not like, this is my natural hair, but I hate wearing it. But let me not get off topic. So anyways, I don't know why he bought me this. Okay, it's just, I guess it was just a little, you know, random gift that he bought me. So it's a purse. I already know what it is. I looked at it, but I had to repackage it, and
I'm opening it for y'all
because I showed y'all a little preview on my Instagram, but I didn't actually show you what I got. So let's go ahead and open. I don't even know if I redid this bow right. I tried my best. Ugh. Did I do okay? It's a little crooked. It don't even look like a bow. You know what? Don't judge me. Don't judge my bow tying skills. I'm not even finna embarrass myself trying to say the name of the bag, so I'm just gonna insert it here because yeah, for shits and giggles, let's go ahead and give it a try. I think it's called the Pochette. I'm just gonna say Pochette because I'm trying to be fancy, right? Instead of calling it Pochette. Pochette Métis? I don't know. Whatever. That's the name of this bag. Just warning y'all. Y'all know the dogs are going to be in the video. Say hello. So, this purse actually matches the wallet that he bought me, which is this. And I'm so happy that he freaking got me a purse finally, because my wallet, I literally carry this on a daily basis and it's starting to like chip right. I don't know how I rubbed it off a little bit right there. But yeah, so got the wallet now. I mean, we got the purse to match now. So yes, y'all, what do you think about this? Do you like it? Love it? Scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate it? I'm a little like about the strap. Like, I've seen some of the Louis Vuitton purses that have like the gold chain strap, and I think I want to get that in addition to this strap, but I think this is cool too. Like, I just probably need to adjust it a little bit because I'm short. So yeah, and it's on the lowest right now. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, and it goes all the way to like right there. So I probably need to adjust it so that way when I wear it, it won't sit so low. Like right now, if I were to stand up, this is how it's sitting on me, like super long, right? So let me adjust it and see. So, okay, so I adjusted the strap. So let's see how it's gonna sit for me now. Yeah, this is a little bit better. If I wanted to carry it like this, or classic way, like this. Yeah, I think I would probably wear it more like this just because. But it also does have this little handle. So since it has that little handle, I can also just carry it like that. You know, different little ways. Tote it like that. But this is like a perfect size because literally, well, he got me another new little gadget, which is this little toy here. It's actually like a gimbal, or camera on a gimbal. Let me turn it on for you guys real quick so you can just see what I'm talking about. So right now it's facing me, but let me turn it around to y'all. So this is going to be perfect. This purse is going to be perfect size for me to just store stuff like this in. Let me just slide it in there. So I'll be able to just throw this in there with, oh, it has 2 pockets. Sorry, let me show y'all on the inside. So yeah, I'll be able to just toss this in there, front, toss my wallet, and if I need to toss my phone, it's on a tripod, but I'll be able to fit all of that in here perfectly. Yeah, I like it. I think it's a good size, good quality as usual. Louis Vuitton doesn't do subpar in that category. I'm a little spoiled. He got me spoiled. He can't stop giving gifts now, and if he does, then it's gonna be a problem. He got me spoiled. Never been with a man that just buys me stuff like this, especially not like just luxury stuff. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I wanted this video to be quick, nothing special. Let me know if you like, love, hate the bag. Again, as always, let me know if there are any videos that you want me to film or that you want to see. And yeah, guys, that was all I had for you. So thanks for watching. Oh, for those of y'all that said my phone don't look gold, it still don't look gold. Don't worry about it.